Hey guys, happy new year's. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, as you can see, we'll be cooking some soup. I have two pots here. One will have some meat, then the other one no meat. So in the pot we have some pumpkin, some carrots, some chocho, yeah, and some Irish with yam and so forth. I am putting in some pimento seeds for the flavor, of course. In both I did that. So guys, just watch as I finish up the soup, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend to come join the family. As I always say, why not? It's time to make the dumpling. So here I have some cornmeal and my flour, of course, and in that little red cup I have me some salt water. So after I combine my ingredients together, we go in with the water and we will be mixing it together. So guys, watch as we make this dumpling, aka the dough. Okay. So now we have finished combining our flour together. We're going to set it aside and let it set before making the dumplings. So now to my pot, I'm adding some extra ground provision. We're adding some corn, as you see. Yeah. And now we are going in with our dumpling, aka some spinners, because we're not making it the regular way. We're just making some small little spinners and putting it into both pots, along with the other ground provisions, as you see. So we're gonna let this cook, let the food cook before I add my noodles, because I don't like to put the noodles in until after I put the food in and everything and it cooked down and so forth. So now it's that time. Let's add some pumpkin noodles to both pots. We are adding some pumpkin noodles, the one that is on the probably your left or your right, but it's my left. We are going to add just the pumpkin noodles because we don't want to add no meat into that. And on the one on the right, which is a bigger pot, we added the pumpkin noodles. So this one you see me adding some pumpkin noodles, which I add about 2. And on the other one I had 2 plus some chicken noodles as well.
When we are lost in pain, we cry out your name, and you are faithful, faithful through all things. You are faithful, faithful through all things. Patience, child, rest a while. When you begin, no man can mend. You are faithful,
So now we will be dropping some scotch bonnet pepper into the pot for additive flavor, and we'll be doing it to both pots. So after letting the pot boil, it's time to add our salt because we don't want to salt the pot, so we wait until we put the noodles in. Now we're going in with the salt just to add extra flavor in case it's still fresh. Okay, and a trick, guys, if you're cooking soup, add some chocho to it if you salt the pot, because chocho, it will absorb the salt. So whenever I'm cooking soup, just add some chocho, especially if you're cooking manish water. Love me some chocho and some green banana. But this soup, we add the salt at the end because I never wanted to over salt the pot, because the noodles already come with MSG in it. So I like to wait until after it boiled down, add the noodles and so forth, then we go in with the salt as you saw early on.
you are faithful, faithful through all things. You are faithful, faithful through all
Few hours in and our soup is practically finished. I'm gonna turn the stove off, cover it and let it sit, and then we go deliver the soup. Okay, yeah, there you have it. So both soups are finished, as I said early on. Guys, do not forget to